Hi dear students, welcome to my video. In this video I'll show you the whole practical of the chapter 7, okay, that is introduction to Java and Bluej. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the basic Java programming and concept, okay, using Bluej IDE. Okay, so let me show you that how we just write in the Java programming language using Bluej. Let me open this one. Okay, you can just press the right click up and then open, or otherwise you can just click the double click. Okay, see, let me open this. Okay, just wait. Okay, whenever you will just open that thing, you will just get a simple, like a simple interface like this way. Okay, and here you just, at first you need to give the project name. Okay, just click the new project. See, I'm just writing project. Okay, 5 or 6, anything you can give. Okay, there is no problem, just press the okay. Okay, now next option is what? Next one is you need to do new class. You need to create the new class. Just press it here, and here you just the class name. Okay, so I hope that you know about the class. Class is what? Class is the building block in Java programming language. Okay, so whenever you are just going to write down the Java programming language, so you need to create the class. Okay or not? So I'm just giving the name class. Suppose I'm writing this program to create to display some messages, so I'm just giving the class name as messages. Okay, message. Clear or not? Simple, just okay. Simple. You'll get the message class. Okay, so to write down the code, you need to create the right click and then you need to go open editor. Okay, simple, click it. Okay, here you will get the third number interface, so third interface. Okay, where you will get so many code actually. So to remove this one, just press the Control A from your keyboard and then just press delete. Okay, so it will just delete. Okay, now it's time for writing the code. So before writing the code, you can give the comments in your program. So how will give the comments? Okay, so using the double slash you can give the comments in your program. This is for only information. Okay. Okay, now next, how will just give the code? How will just give the comments using right double slash. Okay, now I'm just writing this program. Okay, program for printing, printing. Okay, printing what? Any messages. Okay, messages. Clear or not? So in this way, you can give the simple single comment. Okay, if you to give the double line comment, so you can use this format. Okay, see, slash and then star, then this dot like. Okay, any messages. Okay, messages, then star, sorry, then star, then slash. So in this format you can give the multiple lines. Okay, you can just write down the multiple lines comment. So I'm just using the single line, so I'm just removing these things. Okay, now next one, next is very important. Now you need to create the first class. Okay, so you just write down the CLA class, then class name should be there. Okay, MESS or AGS, messages or message, anything you can write down, there is no problem. Okay, so you need to remember one thing: during the writing the class name, you need to start that class name should be with capital letter. Okay or not? Yeah, so I'm just giving. Okay, this one is what? This is class name declaration part. Okay, comments, all kind of comments, it will be ignored by the compiler during the compilation. Okay, so in later I'll show you. Now next one, you need to create the what? You need to create main function. Okay, so just create the third bracket. Okay, just click enter, then just write down public void, public static void main function. Okay, main function you need to declare. Okay, see here you need to just write a string. Okay, string is should be capital. Okay, string string, then args, then third bracket is starting and end. Okay, then bracket close. Clear or not? This is called main function. See, this is the main function. Okay, here in this line, each and every word it has own meaning actually. Okay, so you need to remember just main function. Okay, main function means what? From here the program it will be run. Okay, just you need to remember, then just press okay. Now next one, again you just start the curly bracket. Okay, now you need to create the body of that curly bracket of main function. Okay, what it will be print actually. So I'm just writing. Okay, now you need to print something. Okay, so if you want to print something, to print you need to use one function that's its name is system, system dot out dot out dot println. Okay, println function. See this function, using this function you can just display any messages. Clear or not? Now how will give the messages? Inside the inverted comma. Okay, see, I'm just writing inverted comma. Okay, now here I'm doing hi. Okay, hi, I am doing Java. Okay, Java programming language. Anything you can write, there's no problem. It will depend up to you. Okay, so I've written this one, and one thing, at the end of the line you need to press the semicolon. That means it's a end of the line. Okay, now next one, just close the body. Okay, see, the next one, close the main it's a bracket. Okay, again you need to see this one. This is the closing of starting one. Okay, so now it's time for compilation of this code. Okay, so compilation means what? Compilation is the process. What? Compilation is the process to translate from high level language to machine language which computer understand. We are using the Java programming language. It's a high level programming language which computer doesn't understand. No, to make it understand for the computer, we need to compile this program. Clear? So compilation is the process to translate high level language to low level language, that means machine language. Clear or not? So now it's time for how we will just compile this program. See, in top you can see the compilation. Just wait. Okay, now just whenever you click it, here you'll get a message. See, compile. Okay, see, class compiled, no syntax error is there. That means my program is okay. Okay, now it's time for compilation is okay. Now it's time for execute that program. That means we need to interpret that program. Okay, this program actually. Okay, now here you need to come here, and here you just press the right click, then just go to the void main string. Okay, this one, main function, just click it. See, okay, now you just press OK, you will get the output. See, hi, I am doing Java programming language. Okay, not clear? Now next one. Okay, to remove this output, you just click option, then just click the clear. Okay, now just click it, just close it. Okay, you just close it. Okay, now next, how we will know that, how we will just print my name actually in one line with tab actually. Okay, tab in your book also you can find it. Okay, so let me show you that how we will just do it. Simple, just right click this one. Okay, just open editor, and just open editor, and if anything you can see, you will press the Ctrl A and just delete it. Okay, now here again I will just write down the program. Okay, see, now first what, comment, give the comment section, this Java program for printing my name for what, for 4 times with tab. Okay, some gap actually. Okay, now next one, simple, enter. Okay, now class, we need to create the class. Okay, class name is what? Okay, name, suppose I'm giving name. Now next one is what? Curly bracket start. Okay, now next one is main function. You need to declare the main function. How? Public void static void main, then this one string ring string args. Okay, now next one, this one. Okay, now bracket, close, enter. Now again just use the curly bracket, then you just give the main body. What you have to print? Anything, suppose. Okay, so you just need system, system dot out dot println. Okay, now you just print this one. Here you just write down. Okay, suppose I just want to write down my name, and inverted comma, just press the inverted comma, Ronnie. Okay, Ronnie. Now next one, space I'm giving that Ronnie. Okay, suppose Ronnie space. Okay, Ronnie space. Okay, suppose I'm just writing this one. Okay, so what you will do with, you will just do one thing, that here you will just keep the tab option. What? Tab option. See, tab. Okay, now here it will just tab. Okay, now here give the tab. Tab, T for tab, so it will give the space actually. Okay, now just close the bracket, semicolon, then just enter, bracket close, and next one again enter, then bracket close. Okay, now it's time to compilation of this program. See this one. Okay, see here. Okay, it automatically will change with the class name actually. Okay, see, now just right click, then environment, then okay, here is the this one, clear or not? So in this way we can display any messages with tab also. Simple message we can print out. It's very easy, is it not? Using the which function, system.out.println, system.out.println, ln for new line. Okay, it will take the new line. Okay, next, in next program we will show that it will show some 4 or 3 this program for printing, okay, best city in our country. Okay, now next one, simple class class class, then class name should be what? city name, name. Okay, I've just created class name. Now next one is main function. I'll just create this one. Okay, now what you just write down, public static void main. Okay, now next one, what? String, string, args, and then this one, okay, this one, then bracket close. Okay, now next one again, inverted commas, call the bracket. Okay, now next, what we just show, system is where in system dot out dot, okay, out dot print ln, just print out. Okay, now next one is what? City name, best city name, anything you could there is no problem. Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata, inverted comma complete, bracket close. Now next one, next city name, how just give this one, just press the copy, just select it, just copy it. Okay, just select it, just like select it, then press the Ctrl plus C, okay, from your keyboard. Now just the end of the line and just press the semicolon and then enter again, just press it again, just go to semicolon. Okay, semicolon I'm giving, then again you just press the enter, then you just change the name. Okay, Bangalore, Bangalore. Okay, okay, Bangalore, then Delhi, suppose I'm just giving. Okay, LHI, Delhi. Okay, so in this way we can print this one. Let's give the semicolon. Okay, now just bracket close, just close this one and then again close. Okay, now it's time for compilation. Again just press it. Okay, void main, then just press OK. Here is good. Okay, now it's time to show you that is the main important program. Okay, it's a very basic program. It's a very simple program. Okay, like to print anything. Okay, to display any messages. Okay, now it's time for that. Let me show you that simple program. It's a very simple program also. Okay, that now we just write in the program to display the additions of any two number. Okay, additions of any two number, and we can easily show the differences of this between that two number. Then we need to find out the product of that two number. Okay, so let me show you this program. Okay, write down, just write down the command. Okay, see this program for addition of any two number, two number. Okay, simple, two numbers. Okay? So I'm just going to write down the program to find out the additions of two number, any two number. Okay, so I'll set it. Okay, now write down the class, declare the class name. Okay, save class name addition, additions. Okay, now next one is what? It's time for declare the main function. Okay, public. Okay, it will be started with small letter, public static static void main. Okay, now next one here, just click the string should be capital letter. Okay, string args. Okay, this one bracket close. Simple. This is the main function. See, like this is the main function. Okay, so you need to declare this one. enter. Now again just start a curly bracket and again just press 1. What? Okay, at we are going to write on the program to find out the additions of two number. Okay, so for that you need to understand the variable, okay, and data type. Clear or not? It's very important. You need to know two things, variable and data type. Okay, variable means what? It's a memory container which holds the value, which store the value. Suppose, clear or not? Variable is a memory container. Okay, and data type means what? Which kind of data you are just trying to store or you are entering. Okay, you are storing that value. So type of the data means data type. Okay, suppose I'm just going to write on the program to make the addition. Yes or no? To make the additions of two numbers. So suppose two number means what? Numbers means 20 or 20, 30 or 30 or 15 or 16, any number. Okay, so that means what? It's an integer number. So data type of that number should be integer. That data should be integer. So we need to declare data type int means integer. Okay, so then we need to give the variable name. Suppose first number, so fno you can write down, otherwise a. Okay, a. Clear? A equals to, that means it's a variable name. Anything you can set, any name you can set, there is no problem. Okay, so you just need to declare or you need to initialize this a with some value. Okay, suppose I'm just writing this one, a equals to 20. That means I'm just assigning 20 value in a variable name. Okay, 20 value means it's a integer value and it will be stored in a variable name. Okay, a. So you can write down anything also, there is no problem. Okay, so just then semicolon, again second number I enter in b equals to 30 suppose, or 15, anything you can set, no problem. See, two number I have already set, I have given, and that means what? This one is, okay, let me write down, okay, comment. Okay, this is the variable variable declaration. We see array declaration with value. Okay, simple. This is the variable declaration part, actually PRD part with value. Clear or not? Simple concept. This one is the same. Okay, now next one is what? Now next one, we need to print the additions of this number. So we can just write down message. No, you can write down the message additions of this two number. Okay, for this two number is dash, like this way. So message, if you want to show the message, then what we need to write down? sys system dot out dot println, println, println. Okay, println. Okay, now next one is a bracket start, then semicolon. Simple. So now you need to remember one thing. If you ignore the semicolon, if you want to directly print out additions of a plus b, then you need to write down only a plus b. Simple, b. Okay, don't give the semicolon, otherwise it will directly show that a plus b. Okay, it will not print the value of a and a plus b. Okay, so we just leave the inverted comma. Okay, now inverted close. Okay, so you just press the semicolon last. Okay, you just close this one. Simple concept. Bracket close, enter, bracket close. Clear or not? Now it's time to run this one. See, no error, very nice. Now you just write down additions of, just run this one. Okay, see, 35 is okay. See, 20 and 15, 35. Clear or not? Okay, now next program is what? Suppose I'm just writing here, see this one, what will be the changes? Okay, suppose I'm giving the inverted comma, suppose. Okay, this one, inverted comma. Clear? So what will be the output? Now let me show you. Just make this one. Okay, I'm just giving the inverted comma. Okay, so then just compile it. Okay, okay, now next just click this one, void domain, then okay, see what? Only a plus b you will get it. Okay, so it will not print the value of a and b. Why? Because you have given the semicolon. Okay, semicolon means what? Inverted comma means what? In inverted, if you set any function, okay, between the inverted close, so only it will just show as a message, as a just message actually. Okay, the text. Okay, it will not play the value of it will not display the value of a of like 20 and b like 15. Clear or not? Okay, now it's time for, suppose I just want to show that output with some messages. Okay, so you just write down the message, simple message. Okay, see this one. Okay, just write down any kind of message, there is no problem. Any kind of message. Okay, then you need to just press go to this, give the space and just press the plus sign and just give the a plus b in bracket, a plus b, like suppose b. Okay, I just want to print c on b. Okay, bracket close, simple. Okay, now first bracket, again we need to set the another bracket of the first bracket. Clear? See, starting bracket, this is the end bracket. Okay, and this one is the first and end bracket of a plus b. Now give the semicolon. Semicolon is what, this one. Okay, now you just write down, compile. Now just press the okay. आवाज कम करो थोड़ा, आवाज नहीं करना है, आवाज करोगे तो जाओ, आवाज नहीं करना है. Okay, now it's time. How you just check the output? See, just press the here and you just press okay. See, any kind of message. Okay, now equals to 30. So let me change the message. How will you change this one? See, here you just change the message. Okay, just clear this one at first, just close and just here change the message. See, additions, no, where we want to see the additions. Okay, so like this, the addition of this two number. Okay, number is inverted comma set or jacket, just this one plus this one. Clear or not? Simple. So in this way we can show it. Now see, compile that, just right click, wide element, then okay. See what is the difference. The additions of this two number is this 35. Clear or not? So like in this way we can find out all these things like differences, like product of these two number. Okay, see, now okay, let me check the value of, let me change the value like 25 and 35 or 32 or 35. Okay, sorry, 35. Now let me check, compile. Okay, now just press the okay, wide man, then just press okay. Simple. See, second output is one, the addition of these two numbers is 60. Why the 60 is there? See, 35 and 25 and 35 means 60. Clear or not? Okay, just click this. Okay, now next one is what? So in this way, like this way, we can find out the so many things, difference, product we can find out on this. See this one? Simple. Now just okay, just copy this. Okay, let me copy this whole thing and just we'll just see this one I'm doing. You can easily understand. So now we just write down the difference of this number, difference, differences of this two number. Okay, now this one is what I will do it same format. Now just only I'll set it here minus, what, minus. Clear or not? Now next one is what, product. So I'm just writing product of PRO reduce product. Okay, so here you will just set the product is to enter. This two you need to give that means star. Okay, product means a star. Okay, in this way, so you can find out anything. There is no problem. Okay, now just press okay. Now just compile this one. Okay, compile is okay. Let me small. Okay. Okay. Now save this. Okay. Now just compile. Okay. Now say just write down. Okay. Okay. Say this one, additions of this number 60, difference of the 10 and this one. So in this way we can find out any operation, we can do any operation. So let me change the class name, that means I'm doing the operations, no, so I'm just let me change operation here. Okay, operation. Like compile this program and save. Okay, just close these things at first, output window. Okay, just close this. Again just right click, just run this one, void element, then okay. Now see this one. See, operation of this, see the class name, it has been already changed to the operation. No, here what we have written operation, so it will be same operation. Okay, so you can run this program, that means execute this program by clicking the right click, then void element, then okay, press. See, you will get the output. See, double time. Okay, just delete this one. Okay, now next one, void element. Okay, see, simple. So using this way you can easily make the any kind of operations of this two number also. Clear or not? It's very easy. Okay, now the next thing also is that suppose you want to additions or you need to find out the smallest number among these two numbers. Okay, so how you find out? Okay, so this one, see, let me check. Okay, Now let me write down the comments. Okay, there is no problem, only I'm just giving the comments. Okay, now we will find out. Okay, we will find out the smallest number between these two number. Okay, simple. Now this is the message. Now here what will do it? See, simple concept. You need to use the if else conditions to make the comparison. Suppose if, now we need to set this one the formula, actually a less than b. If a less than b, that means what? A is the smallest number. You can easily say if a less than b, that means what? A is the smallest. A is the smaller than b, so we can write down that the smallest number is a. That means number of a, value of that a variable. Okay, now next one, just if a less than b, then just print out, see, tab, just press the curly bracket start, then just give the system dot out dot print ln. Okay, now give the message means what? The smallest number is the smallest number. Any message you can give me, there is no problem. Any message, the smallest number is equals to, then give bracket, just close the bracket, there is no problem. This is a message, simple message. Now just give the space, then just play, just give the plus sign, give the plus sign, then you just print the a, that means what? It will show the value of a, that means 25. If suppose, okay, now next one, bracket close, then semicolon. Clear or not? Like this way, bracket, just close this one. Okay, first one. Again, suppose, okay, this formula became wrong actually. A is not a small number. Okay, then what? That means what? This formula, it will be false. Then you need to write down else. What? Else what it will print, what computer will print again. Okay, now just print out. Okay, system dot out dot print ln. See, if not going to start this one, the smallest number, is, okay, like plus sign, okay, and it's just plus sign b, okay, not c, semicolon. Okay, so you need to write down the same variable name, okay, which you have just declared here. Okay, declare here, like a small letter, here you need to give the a small letter. Okay, plus means what? It's a concatenation actually. It will just show the value of a, not a, value of variable a. Okay, plus sign here. Okay, in front of any variable name, if you use the plus sign, that means what? It will show the value of a, that means a variable name. Okay, here we have already declared a means what? It will just print the 25 value, not a. Okay, clear or not? So complete. Now next one is what? See, starting bracket, then just close the curly bracket. Okay, now just close this one body is okay. Now this one is body is okay. Now just wait. Now you just press the simple program, just simple concept. Now let's just compile this one. Compile. Error sound. Okay, error is found. Why is the error is found? Okay, this one curly bracket. Okay, semicolon b. Oh, I have not see this one here. I have not closed the inverted comma. See this one? Okay, see. Okay, now make the comparison. See. Okay, again system dot out dot print. Oh, here is a mistake. print print. Okay, not say. Now again compile. Okay, so class compiled, no syntax error. Clear or not? So now let me show you this one. Click, clear, just error it. Now just come here and again just press the right click of this class and just click the void main. Now you will show it the output. See this one? See. Okay, difference additions of this number this and this one this, and the period of this, and the smallest number is this 25. Which one? See this one? Okay, so let me check. Smallest number is a. Okay, now I'm just changing this the value of 45. Okay, so obviously now here in this time it will show the b. Now okay, just let me check. Clear, just close it, again compile it. Okay, now just run this program. See, okay, see 35. Why is the 35? See, b is the 35, so smallest number is 35. Okay or not? So this is the simple basic concept of Java programming language. I hope that you have understood. Okay,